So, oh, I forgot that, yeah, we don't have enough fuel actually, yes. We could cheat on the fuel, but,
Los Angeles
Oh, wow.
information
Already?
Kilo 2200
Okay.
Zulu weather. Sky conditions 30,000 scattered visibility 6. Rain. Temperature 14.
Yeah. That's it, thank
light
you,
and
bye-bye. Okay, so, buy Tom Curtis Seattle pack. Okay, okay. Let me get this in a note. Thank you, Chevy. I will. Okay, copy. And, boom. Yeah. Tom Curtis. Curtises. Okay. I will. Thank you. Okay, so do we have enough engine volume? Yeah, kinda. I have my bugs set up. Flaps will be 30. Oh, nice. And that's a store. Thank you, Chevy. Okay, $30. Gateway to Boeing country. Nice. Wow, nice. Thank you. Yes. Okay. You're gonna take the 350. Good, Wasgo, good. Very good. And crashing. No. Oh boy. We have more. Can we get to 600, you think? Hey, it's Summer again. Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it, bro. Wow, 2 missing, only 2? Maybe we can make it. I don't know. Maybe. Follow streak, baby. Follow train. What is it? How'd you call it? Oh. Okay. We have turbulence. We have rain. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Sexy flexi, baby. Let me see. Oh, wow. This is a lot of flexing. Wait a second. Ooh. What the fuck is
bank
that?
Angle,
oh,
bank angle, bank angle, bank angle.
Oh. This is not good. This is not
bank
good.
Angle, bank angle.
Okay, we're
bank
crashing.
Bank
We're
angle,
crashing.
bank
We're
angle,
crashing.
bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle.
Is this ice
bank
already?
Angle, bank angle.
Is this ice? Yes, it's ice. So this doesn't work.
Bank angle, bank angle, bank
shit.
angle,
Oh, shit.
bank angle.
No,
bank angle,
we're finishing
bank
a crash.
Bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank
So
angle.
can someone
bank
explain
angle.
why my anti-ice doesn't work now? Can someone explain this to me, please? What is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? Guys, please. Is this the anti-ice? Isn't the anti-ice working here? Wow, the fuck? Okay, we're crashing. No! Why this? Why is this happening again? I have the anti-ice on, you fucking Egypt. Okay, this thing I really don't understand, guys. I really don't get it. I really don't get this. This is very bad. Yes, we're actually crashing. And I don't understand why the switch is not the anti... Well, this is the anti-ice, no? No? Which one is... Oh shit, so I don't know which one is? Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck! We can't climb, man. I have my elevators are completely gone. Yeah, I'm flying, man. I'm flying manually. But we're going down. We're going down. I have the... This is completely... You know, I can't move this. Okay. Icing isn't the problem. So what is it, Chevy, can you explain this to me? And so, look at the plane. Look at this. Look, look, look. What the fuck is this? No, I mean, I don't understand this, guys. You have to explain this to me. But look at this. Okay. Ditch it, baby. Gear down. Okay, flaps down. No! Help me, please! I don't want to die! Okay. How the fuck? So someone has to explain. Ah, Marvin ate the flight controls. Chevy, can you explain this to me? And can you tell me whether the anti-ice was on? I didn't get the message I got the last time. Yeah, no, the gear was amazing.